Maldives welcome all valuable guests of Sri Raj Yash Holidays from Mumbai. Have a pleasant and happy stay in Maldives.
Oops, we come ahead. Let's go little bit flashback. Hi, good morning. After beautiful stay in the Sri Lanka, now we proceed to Maldives by Sri Lankan Airlines. We are on the way to Male and reach to Male very near. See the beautiful all five-star resorts from your flight view. Amazing place, mind-blowing beauty of Maldives. Come fall in love with Maldives. See Paradise Beach Resort view above 25,000 feet height. Aerial sea view from flight. Hello, see the Malay city view near airport runway. Hi, welcome to Maldives International Airport. Now we proceed to our beautiful Paradise Island Resort by high-speed motorboat. It's take a 25 minutes drive through beautiful and amazing view of Indian Ocean. So let's enjoy the Maldives and its beauty. Have a nice stay here. High-speed motorboat ride in Indian Ocean. If you're lucky, you can see the sometime dolphin here also. Welcome to Paradise Island Jetty. Welcome to Paradise Island Resort. It's a beautiful resort on private island which is a stretch of 1.5 kilometer length. Jain Social Group Airport, Mumbai, Shri Hasubai Group, enjoying Maldives. Hi, this is Paradise Island Resort Water Villa, which is just opposite to mainland of Island Resort, center of sea. This water villa allowed only two adults in villa, no child or extra bed allowed here. So please take care. Beautiful Paradise Resort and all this water villa. I see the Paradise Beach Bungalow from here, just next to Paradise Water Villa. I see this Paradise Beach Bungalow, very spacious and beautiful rooms, just opposite to beach, only 1 minute walk from your room. This beach bungalow allowed child extra bed in the room. It's very spacious and very beautiful. Paradise Island Resort have so many facilities, water sports here, best for wedding destinations, conference, mice and family groups. This resort provide pure vegetarian and mouth-watering Jain food also. For best deal, please contact Sri Rajya's Holidays Mumbai head office. Thank you. Sri Rajya's Holidays bye bye all valuable guests of Jain Social Group Airport. We hope you all enjoy our tours. If you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.